Welcome to my channel, Chemistry Class. Welcome back to Chemistry Class. My dear student, I hope you're doing well. So, in the previous lecture, we discussed about acids and bases and their properties and how they behave. My dear student, today we are going to move one step ahead and discuss Arrhenius concept of acids and bases. So let's start. My dear student, Arrhenius concept of acids and bases. This concept was given by a great Swedish scientist Svante Arrhenius in 1884, and it completely changed the way we understood acids and bases. So let's understand them in simple and clear way. Definition of Arrhenius acid. My dear student, according to Arrhenius, an acid is a substance that produces hydrogen ion in H plus an aqueous solution. In simple words, when an acid dissolves in water, it ionizes and releases H plus ion in hydrogen ion. These hydrogen ions are responsible for the acidic properties such as sour taste, corrosiousness, and turning blue litmus red. Examples of Arrhenius acids. First one, hydrochloric acid HCl when dissolved in water. Reaction HCl give H plus ion plus Cl negative ion. Here HCl produces hydrogen ion H plus and chloride ion Cl negative. And second one, sulfuric acid H2SO4 reaction H2SO4 give 2H plus ion plus SO4 2 negative. It's a negative ion. And third one is nitric acid HNO3 reaction HNO3 give H plus ion plus NO3 negative ion. Fourth one, acetic acid C3COOH reaction C3COOH give reversibly H plus ion plus C3COO negative ion. But in student it partially ionizes, so it is a weak acid. Now, definition of Arrhenius base. But in student, according to Arrhenius, a base is a substance that produces hydroxide ion in OH negative ion in aqueous solution. In other words, bases dissociate in water to release hydroxide ion OH negative, which are responsible for their bitter taste, soapy taste, and ability to turn red litmus blue. Examples of Arrhenius bases. First one, sodium hydroxide NaOH reaction NaOH give Na positive ion plus OH negative ion. Second one, potassium hydroxide KOH reaction KOH give K plus OH negative ion. Third one, calcium hydroxide Ca and 2OH whole taken 2 reaction Ca and 2OH whole taken 2 give Ca 2 positive plus 2 OH negative. And fourth one, ammonium hydroxide NH4OH reaction NH4OH reversible give NH4 positive plus OH negative. Now, explanation why water is important in Arrhenius concept. But yes, student, the Arrhenius concept is limited to aqueous in water-based solution. It means a substance acts as an acid or base only when dissolved in water. For example, dry HCl gas is not an acid, but when dissolved in water, it becomes hydrochloric acid and shows acidic properties. Reaction HCl is a gas plus H2O is a liquid. Gap H3O positive equals plus C negative equals. So, presence of water is necessary for acids and bases to ionize and show their characteristics behavior according to Arrhenius. Now, neutralization reaction according to Arrhenius. But a student, when an acid reacts with a base, hydrogen ions in H plus from the acid combined with hydroxide ions OH negative from the base to form water H2O, and a salt is also produced. Reaction H positive plus OH negative gave H2O. Let's see an example. Reaction HCl plus NaOH gave NaCl plus H2O. This reaction is called a neutralization reaction because acid and base neutralize each other. Now, limitations of Arrhenius concept. Dear student, although this concept was very useful, it has some limitations. First one, it is applicable only in aqueous solution. It doesn't explain acid-base behavior in non-water solvents like ammonia or alcohol. And second one, it cannot explain acid-base reactions that don't involve H plus or OH negative ions. For example, reaction between NH3 and HCl gas. And third one, it does not explain why some substances behaves as acids and in one medium but is bases in another. Third one, it doesn't explain why some substances behaves as acids in one medium but is base in another. So, my dear student, this is all about today's lecture on Arrhenius concept of acids and bases. I hope you understand. So, if this lecture will help you, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more chemistry lectures, and share it with your friends. Comments your question below. Take care and see you in next class, inshallah. Thank you for listening.